All right, folks, so which big ticket items at Costco were you hoping to find on special this week? Well, we've got some new ones. We're going to be showing you here today some new items that came in last week. Some of them are going to be on sale now. Some of them are not on sale because they're brand new, but we expect some of these to be on sale probably in the next ad cycle or two. Now, the items that we're showing you today on sale on the floor, these are floor sales prices that are independent of that members-only savings packet that Costco mails you every month. And make sure you stick around to the end of this very short video because we're going to give you a sneak preview of an unbelievably nice ladder deal that's coming up starting on the 19th next week here at Costco. So this one just hit the floor here at our Costco store this week. So this is the Housewares 2000 PSI electric powered pressure washer. So this one plugs into the wall and it gives you 1.2 gallons per minute, and it also comes with a 25-foot hose as well. Now this has your standard quick connect spray tips. So this means that you can also buy other attachments and surface cleaners and stuff like that to attach onto the end of your wand. So here it is, the sign is showing it at $189, and my guess is if they do put this one on sale, like their gas one was just on sale last week, it expired. I'm hoping maybe in time for Father's Day they'll put this one on sale for maybe $159, maybe even lower. And here, take a look at this. Now, this ad expired already, but this is the gas-powered 3200 PSI Housewares pressure washer next to it. We showed you this one on our last Costco walkthrough during April for the members-only sale that was going on then, when you could see that this was $80 off, but that expired on May 9th. Okay, so up next here, you can see we've got this Kohler Lintel two-piece elongated toilet. Now, this one's on sale, $50 off here, from $195 down to $149.99. So here's the problem I don't like with Kohler toilets, and especially this one. If you look here at this picture, you can see that round cylinder in the middle of the tank. That's sort of their own design alternative to the flapper. So when you flush the tank, it pulls up on that and it lets the water out of the tank, and then it's supposed to shut back down. Problem is that mechanism gets gummed up very easily, and I just put a brand new one in a friend's rental a month ago, and it's already stuck again. So in other words, when you pull the chain on the toilet to flush it, it won't come back down. We had to put weights on it to make it come back down, which is really stupid. This is why I don't like Kohler. And if you look on some of the plumbing forums, a lot of plumbers don't like them either. Okay, this is one of my favorite big ticket items in all of Costco. They've had this probably on and off for the last 2 years now, since 2019. So this is that Trinity stainless steel utility sink. This would be perfect in your laundry room. And what I love about this thing is this. It's just sturdy, and it's got a beautiful faucet to go with it and everything. Forget about those cheap plastic ones that you find at Home Depot. Now, let me just give you a little bit of a heads up. Since these just hit the floor again for this season in Costco, they're going to be at that full price of $259. But we see these come down to $199 every time they come in. So maybe wait next month or maybe in July, but you can bet that within the next month or two, you're going to see this thing drop down to $199. So I would hold off on paying the $259 unless you see these disappear. Okay, now this was a new set that we hadn't seen before either. This is that Scandia 6-piece knife set. So yeah, it just came in and it's already $5 off at $16.99. What's hard to believe though is how they can even make a profit selling these knives that cheap. Okay, now here's another new item that just came in this week. So it's not on sale yet, but we expect that if it does go on sale, they'll probably drop it down to $25. So this is the Mikasa 2-pack of the wood trays. These are very nice, very useful. And so we'll see. We'll wait and see how much they drop. Now, the reason why there wasn't a whole lot of stuff to update you on this particular update is because we're in that quiet week between the two ad cycles, between the April and the May one. Now, the May ad cycle will start on May 19th. And as I promised earlier in the video, I wanted to show you this deal that they're going to have here for you in the ad starting next week on the 19th. And that is on this Little Giant Megalite 17-foot ladder. So they say it extends up to 15 feet tall, and it's a Type 1A, which means it'll give you a 300-pound capacity on it. And so you can see here that they're going to drop the price of this by $40 from $159, or basically $160, down to about $120. And last summer, you can see the price tag here shows that it was $149. And by comparison, if you watched any of our live streams over the last week or two, we showed you that other ladder deal over at Home Depot on the Werner ladder, which is a nice one as well. That one gives you a reach up to 22 feet, and it's IAA rated, which means it will handle up to 375 pounds. So take a look at this ladder here, the Werner one from Home Depot. I'll put a link to this ladder down below in the video description. And of course, as you guys know, anytime we give you a link to Home Depot or Amazon and you click on those links and you buy tools or parts or whatever, we get a commission for that. So we thank you for supporting our channel in that way, and that whenever you decide to buy tools and things like that and you use our links to do it, this is what enables us to continue to bring you this high quality content that you see here and all of these great tool review videos that we do here on the channel. Okay, so we will update you again when the new members only savings ad comes out next week. Hey, and you know what, folks? If you're finding this video useful so far, hey, do us a favor, would you please give us a thumbs up down below? That tells us that you like us. And if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, man, you see all of this great world-class content that we upload for you, all of these great videos on remodeling your homes. We cover all sorts of in-depth categories like covering your kitchens and installing cabinets, and all sorts of other videos on remodeling your bathrooms. As you can see here, we help you deliver the best bathroom you could possibly get, installing tile throughout your house, how to install wood flooring, laminate flooring. We also cover engineering disasters you might find through your house. And we also do these great tool review videos for you that you're accustomed to seeing. And we do all sorts of thorough testing and drop testing of the tools so that you can tell whether you're getting a quality product or not. And we also give you all of those great walkthroughs of the hardware stores, finding you the best tools at the best prices. So if you haven't subscribed yet, do that right now while it's fresh on your mind. Click that subscribe button below and click the gray bell icon next to it. That tells YouTube to alert you whenever we upload a video or go live. That way you don't miss out. Well, thank you so much for tuning in today, folks, and we'll see you on the next one.